Hey guys, Ogre Fabworks here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's fix is an air intake for a tractor. It has a crack, you can kind of see. Sorry, I kind of already started grinding it out here, but this is a repair that somebody previously has made, and for some reason they brazed it. Not sure why they did that. This is just regular mild steel. And it's not really seeing heat. Maybe they thought it was an exhaust, but it's an air intake. This houses an air filter. So for whatever reason, maybe that's all they had, they decided to braze it. And so I'm trying to clean up absolutely everything I can to not contaminate the weld. And just using my die grinder bit here to gouge it out. I hit it with a hard rock as well. Then I didn't have a good ground, so I hit it with my little wheel there to get some good contact, so hopefully that helps. So like I said, I ground it all out, it's all cleaned up, and we're gonna hit it with some weld here and see if we can fill her back up. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so there's the finished product. Not the greatest, but not horrible, right? I mean, this is super paper thin material, and as much as you try to get the contamination off, you know, there's always just a little bit, but that'll hold. That's not going to crack. I tried to build it up outside of just the crack all the way to the edge here, because, you know, with the weld being just before the edge, the next failure point would be right outside the weld. That would be, so as you can see, I kind of followed the contour of the lip there to prevent it from cracking in the future. So let it cool a little bit, we'll throw some paint on it and call that one good. And I've got another one to fix, but this one's in a little worse shape, so as you can see, and that's how paper thin this stuff is, like I talked about. So this needs to essentially be attached back on like that, but I have to remove this and find another pipe that'll fit inside of there. So I got to get this out, clean this up, put a patch plate on top is what I'm thinking, and then I need to cut the hole. So, you know, it's a little bit more challenging because it's not going to be at this angle, it's got to be at this angle essentially, so a little bit more of a challenge on this one, and I got to get some steel, but that one should be good. This one's up next. Alright guys, here's the finished project on this one. So you know, there's a really bad hole, and I it looks like I rolled this plate. I didn't really. I did some step bends over in the press over there. So I just, you know, put a bend in it, moved a little, put a bend in it, and it matched the profile pretty well. And the way that this thing worked, so you can see there's kind of two tubes. So this tube is actually on the inside, and the other tube was on the outside. And I don't really know why they did it that way, but that's the way they did it. So yeah, quick little project. Customer already picked up the other one, they needed it. This one was another kind of get it done job, so ship it out. All right, well, thanks guys. This is Ogre Fabworks, welding and line boring, servicing Michigan and Indiana. See you on the next one.